So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we share screen on our Google Meet. So to do that, firstly open your Google Meet app. After going to Meet, if you want to host a meeting, just click on new meeting, and if you are joining any meeting by link or code, just click on join meeting. I'm just hosting a new meeting. Start an instant meeting. After hosting a meeting, you can see right down here at the down right corner the three dots. Click on three dots and you can see the share screen option, and you can just click on start sharing and you will be able to share your screen. Like, you can share anything and the other person will be seeing your project. So that's it guys. If you find our video helpful, then please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.